Welcome to Chris Hairpire. This is a step-by-step guide to help busy people to learn the art or the skill of cornrowing their own hair by themselves. So in this video, we are going to walk you through the entire process from the preparation to the final stunning look. So first of all, we are going to part a portion in front and we divide it into three like this, and we are using our these two fingers or these three fingers, but it's basically the two to braid. So you hold it like this, your thumb and your index finger, use your middle finger to pull down like this, then the index finger is the one separating, like the one adding more hair, as you can see me doing here. So I'm using the same fingers on this other side. So I just continue the process like this. So you see the first hair that I removed in front, that I parted into three, I braided it like 2 times before taking hair. It's now I'm adding hair. So when you start, you don't start adding hair immediately. You first of all braid like 2 or 3 times before adding hair, because you want to first of all define the beginning part of it before you start adding hair, so that the braid or the cornrow will be very clean and smooth. So at this point, my hair is very long, like not so long like that. So I need this big comb to always detangle it. And if you see, my technique of braiding here is, once I cross the hair like this, I slide my finger right to the tip. That is to make sure I detangle it, because if I just braid and allow it, I'm always going to have the edge tangled because the hair is long. So once I pass my finger like this, I pull back. As I pull back like that, that is just to detangle and define the lines, because the hair is long. But if your hair is not long, then this process is not needed for you. But if you are working with natural hair in this context is hair that has not been relaxed or processed, then you still need to do like the same thing here, because the natural hair is not really fine in texture like the one that has been relaxed already. So you still need to pull your hand behind like this, like dragging it and keeping it behind to make sure that you go right to the end of your hair, so that it should not tangle. Because once it tangle, instead of braiding or cornrowing the hair, you will not be busy detangling the hair. But mind you, always have a white tooth comb beside you for detangling. Like this comb played a great role here, because the hair is long and it keeps tangling. That's because it's long hair. But if your hair is not this long, then you don't need to bother about having a comb around, because it might likely not tangle like this. So I just continue the same process. It's just the 3-strand braid with the 3 fingers. So this braid is 3-strand braid, 3 fingers. We use 3 fingers to achieve this beautiful braid. So I'm just going to leave you to continue watching. The process is the same. This is the back part. The only thing you need to achieve a beautiful cornrow like this is a comb, and of course the hair is already there, but you always ensure that you're working on a clean and moisturized hair. That's a clean hair, that makes it easy, and the outcome is also good. So this cornrow, you can use it like this, like you can go out with it like this, or you can wear it under your wig. So at this point, this is the back part. Mine is fat or looking bigger like this behind, because my hair is much no extension added. But if your hair is not really thick like mine and you want it looking big or bigger than this, you can go ahead and add extension. And if you want me to do a video showing you how to add extension on your cornrow, then let me know in the comment section. See how beautiful this is. So guys, this is just basically the same step we are repeating here. So I'm showing you this again because for me this is kind of therapeutic watching this braid. So thank you for being here, and if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead, hit the subscribe button, subscribe to me, subscribe to the video, subscribe to you. Yes, we are making the world a better place in our own little way. So just basically the same process. And if you think there is anybody that you need to share this video with, please kindly do leave me a sweet comment and let me know where you're watching from. Let me know if you're getting value from this video. It will be my pleasure. So this is just basically the same thing. The hair is clean, and I'm going with bigger portions, like the bigger braids. You can do it smaller, it's just the same thing. So keep watching, and this video is not just me showing you how to cornrow. After this, I'm still going to show you how not to cornrow, because these are two, I'm showing you two different types of cornrow. This is basically like the first, and the third one I'm going to be showing you is the loose cornrow. This one is the tight cornrow, which is the best. It's not tight as in very tight, but it's just like the best one. So I'm going to show you how not to cornrow if you want your cornrow to last for long and if you want it to look beautiful. So keep watching, and at the end of this video I'm going to explain that to you. Sectioning your hair correctly when braiding is very important. So at this point we are doing the loose braid, which is not the best because it's not durable. So that's just the same process. And at the first part we start adding hair. Once you just cross, you continue braiding, and it's like longer steps or longer stitches, pardon. So once I start the front part, I just start adding hair. And I previously told us that from the other one that we braided, once we start, we braid like 2 or 3 times before adding hair. So if you noticed here, I just started and continued braiding. So this one is actually very fast, but it's not durable. Like, it gets spoiled very fast, as well as it's very fast to braid. So if you want braids that will stay for a longer period of time, make sure you're having braids that look like the first two we did. This one is loose braid. The stitches are loose and it's not durable. You can actually see it here, and the only advantage of this is we do it fast, but it's not durable. If you always want your hairstyles to stay for a longer period of time, or your cornrows, the way we go to bed, how we prep our hair before going to bed is very important. If you just go to bed with leaving your hair like this, your hair gets bad or old in a shorter period of time. But when you put your hair in a bonnet before going to bed, your hair is protected. So this is the final result here. Please like, subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye. Love you all.